Understanding the phrase, a cloud hanging over. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression in the English language, a cloud hanging over. This phrase is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can add depth to your comprehension and use of English. Let's explore what it signifies and see how it's used in various contexts. When we think of a cloud hanging over, the immediate image is that of a sky, partly sunny but with a significant cloud casting a shadow over a specific area. This visual provides a perfect backdrop for understanding the metaphorical use of the phrase. It suggests something ominous or troubling that looms or persists, affecting the atmosphere or mood. In a metaphorical sense, a cloud hanging over is used to describe a situation where there is a persistent feeling of worry, trouble, or uncertainty. This could be related to personal issues, like a disagreement in a relationship, or larger concerns, such as financial difficulties or professional challenges. The key aspect of this phrase is the persistence and omnipresence of the worry or problem, much like a cloud that doesn't seem to move away. Personal context. Ever since the argument, there's been a cloud hanging over their friendship, making every meeting awkward. Professional context. With the rumors of layoffs, there's a cloud hanging over the office, affecting everyone's morale. Global context. The ongoing conflict has left a cloud hanging over the region, with residents living in constant uncertainty. These examples show how versatile the phrase is, applicable from personal feelings to global events. To use a cloud hanging over effectively. 1. Identify a situation where there's a lingering issue or concern. 2. Reflect on the emotional atmosphere or the general mood created by this issue. 3. Use the phrase to convey the persistence and overshadowing nature of the problem. Remember, the power of this expression lies in its ability to paint a vivid picture of how worries or troubles can loom over people or situations, affecting the overall mood or atmosphere. I hope this exploration of a cloud hanging over helps you understand and use this expressive phrase more confidently. It's a beautiful example of how English can use imagery to capture complex emotions and situations. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll find these expressions coming naturally to you. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!